Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Teacher Evelyn from Oxford saying Mabuhay and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Remember, nouns are names of people, things, places, animals, food, and so on and so forth. Okay, so when we say countable, that means to say you are thinking about whether it is singular or plural. We say one student or a student. But if it is plural, you add s. So we say many students or 50 students. Countable. Now, you also need to know the difference between regular and irregular nouns. Regular nouns, they add s or es, like watch. Okay? A watch or two watches. So you add es. That's regular. Okay? If we say irregular, now you don't add s. You say 1 foot, but you say 2 feet. 1 tooth, many teeth. We say 1 child, and then we say 3 children. Okay? They are countable, meaning to say it can be singular, it can also be plural. You say 1 man, you say 3 men. 1 woman, 5 women. Irregular noun. Okay. Now, if it is uncountable, there is no singular, there is no plural. Okay. These are words that, of course, you cannot put a number before it. Let's say, for example, those liquid forms that we see or we know, they are uncountable. Those grain or powder, we don't count them. Okay? So it is always singular form. Like, for example, water. You cannot say 2 waters. No. You need a unit of measurement so that you know the amount of that thing. So that's why we say a bottle of water, 2 bottles of water, a cup of coffee, 3 cups of coffee. So we're not counting vinegar, we're counting the container. Just like your sugar or salt or sand or any powder thing. Okay? Like flour. You don't count flour. You say a cup or 1 cup of flour. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. So again, you're counting the container or the unit of measurement, but not the noun itself. Alright? I hope that is clear. Now, when you have your countable noun, you ask how many. When you have uncountable noun, you say how much water do we need? How much sugar do you put in your coffee? Okay, so how much for uncountable, how many for your countable. Like money, you say how much money do you have? We don't count 3 monies, 4 monies. No, there is no such thing as that. We just say 50 pounds, $200, 1 million pesos. Okay? So You count the currency, but not money. There is no number before money. You say, he has so much money. He has many houses, because you can count houses. So he's got 5 houses or 20 houses. You can count. So meaning there is a number before the noun. Countable. If we cannot put a number before the noun, uncountable. Okay. I hope that is clear. Please answer these questions, just to test your understanding. Alright? You can also pause the video if you need to. Don't worry. And it's not going to be graded, so it's okay. Alright, so once again, this is Teacher Evelyn saying good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. From rainy Oxford, mabuhay and ciao!